All right, now I'm going to talk about detailing the upholstery. So this right here is fabric that I have in this vehicle. And you can see right here, it looks like it's been worn down a little bit. Not a lot of stains, actually there are some stains right here, but it's just like from putting your arm on here over and over again, it starts to get dirty. I actually have some cover over the seat right here, so I don't need to put upholstery cleaner on this. I can just wipe this down with the seat down right here because of the material, with the same material that I'm using on the dashboard. So I have this right here. This is for the upholstery right here, this fabric right here, and it is Woolite. You can get this probably in your carpet section right in the store or in the upholstery department in your local automotive store. But this is carpet and upholstery made for it. Stain lifting technology. It it lifts and removes deep down dirt, stains, and odors, which I'm trying to work on to get all of this out right here. So basically this is meant for just a spot, but I'm going to be cleaning this entire thing. So I'm going to use a little bit more. I'm just going to act like it's, more than just a spot on here. So it says right here, it says shake well before you use it. Okay, remove excess liquid or solid particles from, excuse me, from stain. So excess particles have been removed. If you want to vacuum it, you can, but that's what they recommend. For dried in stains, vacuum area. All right, shake well. Place, it says place brush head on stain. Firmly press the button and release a small amount of foam. To prevent waste, do not press button with can in upright position. So it says don't use it in upright position right here and spray it. That's how you preserve the solution that's inside of it. You're going to have to spray it like this and then start to scrubbing. All right, and it goes on to say, spread foam evenly with vigorous overlapping circular motions, cleaning a small area at a time. That's what I'm going to do. It says remove excess dirty foam with clean, damp towel, which I have right here. I'm going to use that to get up the dirt. Damp towel or sponge. Allow area to dry completely, then vacuum. On vinyl and plastic, wipe away foam before it dries. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try some of this right here. So I'm going to go ahead, and it says use small area at a time. So I'm going to use the front. I'm going to press this, and you're going to see the foam come out. Why isn't the foam coming out? Well, it says shake vigorously first. So I'm going to shake it almost like a Polaroid picture. And then I'm going to go ahead and spray it. Oh, you have to press it hard, huh? There it goes. So it has to break the seal. So it broke the seal, and so a little bit of foam came out. I'm going to press it again. I'm just going to use this brush to go over a small area at a time. Actually, I'm going to do the entire thing, so I'm going to spray a little bit more. But I'm concentrating on small areas at a time right here. And what this is doing is loosening up the dirt. I'm going to make sure I get the cracks right here. The sides of this. And this is a lot of dirt that's been piled up in here, so we're going to get rid of this. Small circular motions, following instructions. Get the sides, the front, and I'm just going to do this small area right here. I'm just going to take it, and so when you're done, you just take the dry cloth and you just wipe it up right here, and it gets the dirt off like that. And so it already looks really clean right here. You can see it's coming back to life. So I'm going to take the cloth, just wipe it off, and you can go over it again. If you really want to get this really clean, I would go over it a lot, maybe twice, 3 times the armrest. So that's works pretty well. It's going to look clean, really clean after I finish doing all of the circular. So this is the armrest right here. This is upholstery cleaner for detailing right here. This is Woolite carpet and upholstery cleaner that I'm using for detailing my car that I have right today. All right, so it says, there it is.